We got to give credit where credit is due, man. He had his foot all the way down. That foot was sizzling. Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Have you ever wondered why is Walmart so expensive nowadays? You know why it's so expensive? We got thieves like the ones that's gonna be in this video stealing all day, 5-finger discounting all day at Walmart. Didn't they run and jump in a Dodge Charger? RT, you know what those is, Diabolicans, Moparian Diabolicans, aka Chargigians, out here stealing all day at Walmart. Can the boys in blue calm these wild thieves, Walmart thieves, in a Mopar down? Or will these Diabolicans make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Uh-oh, is that who he chasing? Charger? Hold on, that's another Charger that just shot past him. Now, which one is he chasing? The blue one or the black one? We about to find out which Chargigian he after. It don't look like he behind the blue one. We got the one in the front. He want the one in the front, y'all. That's the one he want. He want the one in the front. Why you throw your flash or blinkers on? He coming to get you. You ain't got to worry about that. He coming to get you. Pull over, convict. Pull over. I think that's an RT, y'all. Yeah, that's an RT. I didn't think the RT came with the false pipes, though. But that's definitely, it's got the RT badge on it unless they up badged it. You know these Diabolicans are up badge a Charger in a minute. I thought they came with the real tips on the RTs though. Not the integrated ones. I said pull over, convict. We won't ask you again. Is that black or gray color? Is that a gray color on there or black? It's definitely an RT, y'all. We definitely got some Chargigians in a Hemi. You know it's about to be a yabba dabba. You're already pulling on the door. Oh, there's 2 officers on him. Yabba dabba doo! Out of there! Body on earth, foot in hell! Barbecue foot is on the menu tonight! He out of there. No time wasted. I guess that other Charger was an undercover cop, I guess. Look at him. I thought that was a regular civilian. He's smoking that Charger. What kind of motor is in that Charger? That Charger's slow. My boy got the twerking camera, man. Get your camera under control. Your camera twerking like crazy. Look at it. Oh my goodness, it's twerking insane. That camera going crazy. My man got the twerking camera, man. Come on, my boy. You didn't want to tighten the camera up? That Charger got little on him though, didn't it? That RT got little. Itty bitty. Got little. Thing moving, boy. Moving like your baby mama moved through everybody in the hood. That's how your baby mama was moving through the hood. Jumping from one guy to the other. And then you want to settle down with her. You want to make her your wife. Man, he almost hit that person. What's going on with this cop? Do you got tunnel vision, bro? Oh, he spit out. What the hell he on? Look at the cop. He's spinning out too. Oh my. What's this, another angle? Right, here go another angle, y'all. We finna see what really went down. That's an old model Charger right there that pulled him over. You tell by the lights. Oh no, it's a newer model. I'm tripping. My bad, my eyes is garbage. This old age is getting to me. Officer Dewey. Looking at him. That's an RT Plus right there. I can tell by the wheels. Yabba dabba doo. He got busy on him, boy. We got to give credit where credit is due, man. He had his foot all the way down. That foot was sizzling. Motherfucker tiptoeing in lava. That's where he got little at right there. Look, gone. He gone. Pull over, slow ass Charger. Pull over that slow ass Charger. He got a 2.7 in there. He got a 2.7 liter motor in there. Slow them up. Look how that other Charger leaving his cop Charger. What kind of motor you got in there, my boy? He got a lawnmower motor in there. He got a lawnmower motor. I can't believe he getting dusted like that. I would have took this car back to the station, man. You gotta give me something better than this, man, or I quit. You gotta give me a better cruiser than this, man. This is too slow. This is insanely slow, bro. They all got that same camera and stuff, that twerking camera? They ain't got no money, no budget for a tie down or something? Man, see how he almost hit that truck right there? He was tripping. That cop was insane in the white one. Oh, what did they hit to make him spin out like that? Let's see if we see something on the ground. Oh, he just bent out. He can't even, look at that cop. He can't even get out the car. I told you he was a doofus. I told you he was a Dewey. Dewey doofus. Look at him. He can't even get out to make the arrest. Put him back on desk duty, man. He ain't ready for this type of action. Did they get out and run? Do we got hemi feet? Oh, he got busy. He ran off in the woods, y'all. Gone. He gone.
Help me, please. Please, I can't get out. I can't open it. My arm. I get it. I told him to stop. My arm. Oh my God. My arm.
Is his arm broke? I guess he said his arm hurt. That's what happened when you ride in the car with a diabolical.
Hey, black male, green shorts, ran this way.
He ran into the woods. Y'all never catch him. You would never catch him. A jungle hood booger. You would never catch that jungle hood booger. Oh, they had a female in there with him too? They had a little tenderoni in there with him? Look at her. What you doing here kicking it with them? Diabolicals.
Black male, green
Is his arm hurt that bad? He act like his arm mangled up like a pretzel. Get that man out of there. His arm hurt. He said his arm hurt. I want to see him. I want to see if his arm mangled. Ain't nothing wrong with his arm. He's just saying his arm hurt. His arm is fully healthy. Allegedly.
Listen, okay? Listen to me. We got LifeNet personnel right here, okay? All right? Hold on. You hear me? Just hold on 1 second, okay?
Can y'all get my stuff off the ground?
It's gonna be a minute, all right? All right, it's gonna be a minute. Okay.
I'm trying to figure out why they pulled him over. I guess that man needs some medical attention, so he say. He said, I told him to stop. You can't tell a diabolican to stop. That's basically telling him to go. That's Francisco. Francisco said, I refuse to stop.
I don't know where he called. He kept running to.
Yeah, he out there in the country. Where you gonna run to? Oh, they know exactly where he at. He gonna be living in the woods for the next week. He gonna be living off worms and bugs all day for the next week, eating worms and bugs. That's what I would have been in. I've been drinking creek water, eating worms and bugs for the next week. Meet me in the comments. Come on, man. They was at Walmart. Allegedly, they was at Walmart stealing all day. That's why the police was waiting for them. I guess they must have jumped in their Dodge Charger and took off once they did all the stealing they wanted to do. Once they got all the stuff they wanted to steal, they jumped in a Dodge Charger RT and started to flee. But the police was waiting for them. As you can see, they was waiting for them. As soon as they got in front of them, they just jumped behind them. And then I guess from that point, the chase just went on. But, you know, listen here, like I always tell y'all, listen, if you gonna hang out with a diabolican, you got to be willing to take the diabolican consequences. And this is what happened. Homeboy took him on a high-speed chase. I guess the other guy, maybe he broke his arm, maybe he didn't. He said his arm was hurt. Then a young woman. Listen, all y'all going to jail because I'm pretty sure they got all y'all on camera stealing. But you just got to watch who you hang with. I be trying to tell y'all, you got to watch who you hang with. If you ain't driving the car, you better be sure you ain't rolling in the car with a diabolican. Because they don't stop. You better be sure you ain't in the car with a Francisco occupied body. What do you mean occupied? Francisco in the brain controlling that body. I got the body under control. Don't even worry about it. We about to run. We about to take off on these cops. Look, that's what Francisco took over right here. Look, I should open up the door and get out. But you know what? I ain't worried about it. Let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm about to put my foot all the way down. I'm trying to tell you, man, when Francisco take over, it's no going back. And we all got a Francisco in our head. We just don't know it. When you start doing crazy things, just say, Francisco, can you please stop? Can you please give me back the control of my body, please? Because that's what's happening to you. Francisco is taking over. Francisco the squirrel. But yeah, that's crazy, man. Wild police chase. They was at, like I said, they was at Walmart stealing, going crazy, been stealing all day. Finally, somebody goes to call them on. They must have called the police at Walmart and then told them, gave them a description of the car. Probably told them that they dumped it on the highway, and the cops was waiting for them, man. 5 stars off the gate. You know what I mean? But yeah. My advice to you, don't run from the police, baby. Don't be stealing from Walmart. And if you're going to do it, not condoning it, please don't do it. But make sure you got a better car than a RT. You're going to need a scatter better. Your getaway vehicle has to be up to par when you're doing things like this. I'm not saying a RT ain't fast. It's fast, just not super fast. A Scat Pack ain't super fast either, but it's medium fast. Above average fast. That's what you need. You need above average fast. You don't need average fast. Above average fast is what you need. But with that being said, we do not condone running from the police. But we will be entertained. I said we will be entertained by your Francisco loving, Francisco brain, Francisco body snatching having ass. We'll watch you run. We sure will. And we'll watch you spin out like this. We sure will. And we will watch Francisco take your body on an experience you've never had before. But with that being said, let me leave y'all with some positivity. Check this out. If you don't use your brain, the brain that God gave you, the Creator gave you, whatever you want to call it, it's up in your head for a reason. If you don't use it and you pop your head open, pull your brain out and set it to the side, and you take Francisco and pop him inside your head, let me tell you what happens. You start doing dumb things. You start to mess your life up over and over and over again before it's too late. Because once it's too late, once you let Francisco fully take over your body, it's no going back. It's no going back. You don't want to do that in life. You want to make great decisions. Positive who? Pete and positive Patricia. Those are the people you need to be hanging around. Not negative Ned and negative Nancy. Change your life now, today. Make that decision today to change your life. You don't have to do stupid stuff. You don't. You do not have to be a diabolican. You can be an angel. I'm just saying. But with that being said, we're going to slide up out of here. But let me tell you something before I slide on up out of here. If you gonna run from the police, because we don't want to see you doing it, but if you decide to do that stupid thing called running from the police, the pigs, 5-0, one time, 5-0. Can you please, let me say it one more time, can you please get at least a scat pack?